Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn your handwriting to text in Kilonotes. Just open the app, open a document, and now choose the text icon. After that, just tap somewhere in the document, and for me, here is my keyboard, and above it, there's a T with a pencil. I go to that and write something like hello, and you can see that my handwriting became a text right here, so it's readable, and you can easily organize it. I hope it will be useful. Have a nice day.